like a Hellcat.
Well, good morning, everybody. Look what I woke up to this morning. You know, instead of you getting snow, Drew, now we're getting snow. I guess this is payback. Just kidding. Oh, yeah, this is what I woke up to this morning. Not sure how long it's going to stay. I guarantee it's going to melt, but it feels like it's going to stay because it's pretty cold out. And we're supposed to get frost and etc. and all that kind of shit. But, yeah, I really hope it does because then we can make a little money on the side for snowplowing and have a little fun on the quad runner if it starts, because it's been sitting for almost a month now. It hasn't been started since the beginning of hunting season, so yeah, I'm not even sure if it's gonna start. So I don't know. I think it will. I think it will go. It hasn't really let me down since last year. And usually around the winter time is when I always have bad luck, because when I first got it, ball joint busted, and I drowned it the first couple of weeks I've had it. I drowned the bike. I'll probably insert a clip in another video, or I just gotta ask Liam, King Liam or Liam's Motivators permission to do that. Yeah. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, so a ball joint in the front end busted on the right side of my bike. So that was great. Took me forever to find a damn ball joint for it. What else? Back end busted following year. And this past 2018, actually, last year, I had an electrical issue. So this year, I'm not going to try and jinx myself. I don't think anything will happen, but you never know. And hopefully the battery doesn't go dead, because the battery is brand new. I have only used it once so far. So far since I've gotten it, which was a month ago or a few weeks ago. So yeah, so let's just hope I don't have any issues. But other than that, figured I'd just put this in there and we'll see what happens. And this video will continue into whatever other video I make. So we'll end it for now. Okay, so we're going to do a cold start and a whippersnipper. Yeah, I just pulled it out. Reason being I'm pulling it out is because I'm taking a look at the whippersnipper chainsaw, and I'm going to get the serial numbers off it. Sorry, I couldn't say that right. And I want to get a blower for my dad for Christmas, so I'll see what I can do there. Or I can try and get something for him. I just want to see if this will run. That is choked up. We're gonna have to do it the opposite way. It's pretty cold out, so I don't even know if it's gonna go. Is there any fuel in her? Well, it's got some. I don't even think it has enough fuel for it to run. It's got some in the tank, so I don't know. There it went. You ran for a few minutes. She is cold. Oh well, dirty my good jeans, I guess. Fuck, I don't know. Just pressing on the throttle to keep it going. There. As back as I can. Fuck, I fucked around with the throttle and I should have did that. Look at that smoke. Two-stroke smoke. Okay, so now we're going to do a cold start on the chainsaw whippersnapper. So, do how it run. This thing does not have a primer, so it only has choke, so I don't know how well it's going to start. Is that full choke or half choke? I have no fucking clue. I think that's full choke. Oh, I see how this works. Okay, that should be half. I got her. Let that warm up. Not bad.